Hi friends, welcome to the daily answer writing. Today I have selected one question which I have framed on an article which came in the Indian Express, which was based on Nuclear Non-Proliferation Treaty. This came on 30th of August. Let us try to write an answer. This is a 10 marks question which we have to write in 150 words and within 7 minutes. So question goes like this: what is NPT? Why India did not sign NPT? So as I have told you that in the introduction, it is very important for you to start the introduction with the current context, because in UPSC all the questions which come in the mains examination are motivated from the current context. So if you are able to bring out the current context, you will get very high marks, because examiner will understand that you are following the current affairs diligently. So let us try to write. Okay, so we'll start like this. Recently, at the UN, there was a review of nuclear non-proliferation treaty. So you have said the context, and you can put the short form also, so that you can use this from the next onwards. Then what you do, you change the paragraph and start answering. What is NPT? You can say that NPT is a multilateral treaty. Okay, so these keywords are very important. Treaty. To limit, objective we will write limit the spread of nuclear weapons. Okay, so these are the keywords: limit, spread. Okay, just underline the keywords. Okay, it has 3 pillars. You can draw the diagram here. NPT, you can write here non-proliferation. Okay, then peaceful use of nuclear nuclear weapon will write. And third is disarmament. So these are the 3 pillars of NPT. Then we will write salient features of NPT. We will write salient features of NPT. Make a heading. First salient feature is what? It creates a new category of countries called nuclear weapon states, NWS, which had nuclear weapons before the signing of treaty, which is 1968. Okay, so you can underline this NWS, nuclear weapon states. Okay, so the first salient feature is what? It creates a category of nation called nuclear weapon states which already have a nuclear weapon before signing the treaty. Okay, you can say that only these countries are allowed to keep nuclear weapons. Okay, second point, what you can write, that the rest countries which belong to non-nuclear weapon state category. Here you can write NNWS. Use the short form so that next time you don't have to write it. Okay. Are prohibited from acquiring any nuclear weapon. Okay, then you can write further points also. Third point what you can write is that it exhorts the NWS to gradually move towards nuclear disarmament. Underline this. Fourth point what you can write is that it allows for peaceful use of nuclear technology by NNWS. However, under the guideline of IAEA. So you have mentioned some another organization also. So first part of the question you have mentioned what is NPT. You have drawn one diagram. You have spoken all the salient features of NPT. Now the second part of the answer is reasons for India not joining NPT. Give first heading as discriminatory. You will say that India believes that NPT is arbitrary and discriminatory as it divides countries into nuclear weapon haves and haves not. First, it is discriminatory, first point. Second point, what you will say that India's security situation. Here you can say that since China, India's neighbor with which it has had a frosty relation is a NWS and allowed to keep and expand nuclear weapons joining NPT for India would tantamount to sacrifice of its sovereignty and security. Then you can conclude, okay, to sum up, India's decision to not join NPT is motivated by national interest. Here you can say realism, bracket you can write realism. The UN should exhort the NWS to move towards complete nuclear disarmament with the cooperation of NNWS. Okay, here what you can do is that here you can name the name of the countries also which are NWS, which is basically USA, UK, France, Germany and China. Okay, and what you can do here is, here you can write few countries which, okay, have nuclear weapon but have not joined, okay, the NPT. Okay, you can share here because here reasons for not joining NPT you can write here. Okay, okay, other countries also have not joined, you can write here some other countries. So third point you can write here that, okay, Pakistan and Israel has also not joined NPT. Okay, you see how we have written the answer. Okay, we have given the introduction. Okay, so you can easily expect 1 marks for introduction because it's a beautiful introduction which you have explained the context. Okay, then you have explained what is NPT, you have drawn the diagram also, and then you have given 4 points. You can easily expect, okay, 5 marks here. Okay, and then you see here the reasons for not joining NPT, you have given 3 points. You can expect 3 marks here, and conclusion you can expect 1 mark. So easily you can see 3 plus 1, 4 plus 5, 9, 10. So you can easily expect, okay, like obviously not 10 out of 10, but easily you can expect 8 out of 10 if you write like this easily. And you see how I have underlined, okay, how I have underlined all the important, okay, points of the exam question answer. Okay, so if you like this video, please hit the like button and please share with your friends. And if you want me to continue this answer writing sessions, okay, which are live and directly whatever I am writing from my memory. So this is how you have to do answer writing. Many students, what I have seen is that what they do is that they just open an article and they just make the notes of those articles. That is not called answer writing. Okay, so it's just a waste of time. So what you can do, you can write only one answer every day, but try to write it like in an exam condition. Then only you will be able to really learn the art of answer writing. Thank you, my friends. Bye bye. Take care.